Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your iPhone volume automatically turns down, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first way, just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find your general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so you can also try another way. So just try to make force restore on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you in example of models of with Face ID. If you have another models of iPhone, just find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restore. So on this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep and hold power button until you will see here black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button. It means that after you need to see Apple logo, so it means that you successfully made force restore. So after, just wait until your system will load and you will be able for using it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.